When we have a plus sign in between the parentheses, it's basically like the parentheses aren't there, or another way to look at it is if there's a 1 in front of each parentheses that you distribute. But distributing a positive 1 does nothing to the problem. So we have 7 minus 13x to the third minus 11x, and then we have a 2x to the third plus an 8 minus 4x to the fifth. We combine like terms, always starting with the highest exponent. X to the fifth comes first, and negative 4x to the fifth, it has nothing to combine with. Then we combine our x to the thirds, and we get a negative 11x to the third. Then we have a negative 11x with nothing else to combine with. And then lastly, I combine my constants, and I get a positive 15.